So though most of the application here I just put were mostly data science application. This has to do with predictive analysis, right? Some business application of analysis. So let's look at, let me give an example of my head now. So, okay, I've given some example now before now. Let's look at a sales company, right? Let me pick a, I'm looking for uh, a popular example that we can all relate with. Let's see. So let me just pick a sales company, for example. So let's say the company is involved in selling beverages. I'm talking about drinks now, right? I'm actually trying to pick my own company as an example because I work on a daily basis with sales data, people placing orders, and then people place order through a mobile app and through our web app, and then I get data in their thousands on daily basis. I mean in their tens of thousands on daily basis, right? In terms of transaction. So, and at some point I have to, okay, people are buying from this region, people are buying from this region, people are buying from this region because it's in Nigerian stuff. So I'm not just working with trade in Lagos, or it's all across the states in the country, right? So I can actually say, okay, in this region, this is what they are buying, this is what they are buying. I have a map visual that I can show the hotspot. I can color code it so I can see, okay, which states am I having more sales, which states are buying less sales. We also have this customer support whereby they call customers. So I'm able to track, okay, these are the customers that have been called, these are the customers that have purchased, this is the product they have purchased, and this is the volume of the products they have purchased, right? So on daily basis, I have that insight. I have that understanding that, okay, this is the performance. Oh, last month's sales was more than this month's sales. Oh, this coming month sales, based on with the trend and with the new features we have added, there's possibility that these guys are going to actually place more orders and all of that. So basically, for analysis, you see insight, you perform your analysis, you see the trend. That's the word. You see the patterns, you see the trend, and then you're able to do more. You're able to make data-driven decision. You're not just guessing, right? The decision you are making is backed up that, oh, because of this, let us do this. Not just that, oh, it just came to my mind, I just did it, right? So data analysis will give you that power to make that informed decision. So, and some of the few things I just, like I said, like I said, the general world is still analysis, but science also is a branch of analysis. So analysis is still a broad word. The data science also can stand on its own, right? But then it depends on the workforce, it depends on the organization. We have organization whereby there are a lot of data professionals, so it's easy for each person to manage or own their space, right? But in a company where there are few hands, there's bound to be that kind of overlapping where a scientist will do the tasks of an analyst and likewise and all of that. Medicine in predicting chemical compounds to using purchase record in order to figure out the stock and the stock in store and all of that. For football, that one it's a field on its own, right? You can actually understand top performance. There are some IoT devices. I learned there are some IoT devices, even in their socks, in their something that measures their speed rate, their heart rate, and all of those things. So these things are actually collected using sensors that are attached to the player's body. Even their jersey are not just regular jersey. So some of their jersey are enhanced to collect those data from their body, like IoT device and all of those things. And then they are actually used in the main room. I know of Chelsea. I know of, I'm not sure. I think I know of Chelsea, and I know of Manchester United. For those that are not football fans, sorry about that. So basically, some of those sensors are from their jersey to their socks to take samples, and then they use it for analysis later on to see, okay, which person is fit for the field and all of that. So all these, for those people that use Spotify, YouTube Music, and all of those things. So that ability to be able to recommend is based on past record.